In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put password on Shopify site. If you're preparing a new store, running a private pre-sale, or doing design work you don't want the public to see yet, adding a password is the simplest way to keep things under wraps until you're ready. Start by signing into your Shopify admin in your web browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and your storefront settings. Make sure you're using an account with permission to change online store preferences so you can complete the process without interruptions. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. From there, select Preferences. This area controls important storefront options, and it's where Shopify places the password protection setting. It's designed to be quick to access so you can turn protection on or off as your needs change. On the Preferences page, find the section labeled Password Protection. To switch it on, check Enable Password. Checking this tells Shopify to restrict access to your storefront so casual visitors can't browse your pages. Think of it like closing the front door while you're still setting up the window display. Your store remains intact behind the scenes and only people with the key can come in. Next, enter the password visitors will need to access your store. Choose something strong and memorable for your team but not easily guessed by outsiders. Avoid personal details and keep it unique to this purpose. Share it only with the people who truly need access. And if it ever gets shared too widely, you can come back here and change it at any time. A clear, consistent password reduces confusion for collaborators while keeping your work protected. When you're satisfied with the password you've entered, click Save. You'll find the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Nothing changes publicly until you save, so this step finalizes your choice. After saving, anyone visiting your store will see a password page first and will only get in after entering the password you set. You and your team can continue working in the admin as usual. This protection only affects public visitors. That's all it takes. Log into your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and open Preferences. Enable the password, enter the password you want to use, and save your changes. With this enabled, you control who sees your storefront while you build, refine, or prepare for launch. When you're ready to go public again, you can return to the same spot and turn it off just as easily.